Hey, one and all. I got my panel. I'm running a new line. Leaving a little slack. Go behind this cable. Anything that's in your way, now's the time to get out of your way. And this goes right in here, like so. I think I'm pretty happy with that. Good to go. Make sure I put this piece on over. And I shut all my breakers off. The main breaker, circuit 2 and circuit 5 are the ones I'm concentrating on. And this pipe right here is circuit 2 and circuit 5. I can't remove it because it's metal. It goes into conduit, the old-fashioned way, not BX cable. Now, I'm nervous, taking my time, and I'll get to where I need to be at. And I'm putting on the nut. It's spinning on. I got 4 leads, 2 of them are not used. One's connected to a ground and the other's spare. I'm going to bang this a little so I don't have the proper tool. Come on. I'm going to hide the yellow and purple. I'm not colorblind, the red and the green. I already hid these lines on the bottom. I got them taped, I got them marked. Oh boy, that frame came off. Put it to the side. Now this lead right here goes in this line and it goes to the first floor. Don't ask me why. Take your time. Get your bends in. I got one breaker open, that's good, because that's going to be for future use. I hired an electrician. He was supposed to come. And the electrician couldn't get the parts. He had trouble. And here I am doing the work. As long as I don't do anything there, I'm fine. I may put some tape on it. Just me. Front AC line 1. I'm close to these two breakers. Please forgive me if I'm nice and quiet. Halfway through, I don't leave myself short with slack. If I forget where I'm marked, I remeasure. I gently cut away. Cable looks good. I strip about that much. And again, what I can do is right on the tape this side. Go front AC, line 2, done, just like that. Grab the tape, cut. I know what it is. Done. Hands are clear. Form my cables in. Inspect. Go. Circuit 2. Circuit 5. AC front. kitchen. You see these two right there shaking? See how this just comes out like so? Have you noticed these new air conditioners? Is there a light that indicates on like my older one? Power's up. There's the light. I'm not sure what this one's going to do. But at least I know I got power. Time to read the instructions.